Piranha Solution. How it is used to clean surfaces for coating and adhesive applications. Piranha Solution, a mixture of concentrated sulfuric acid, H₂SO₄, and hydrogen peroxide, H₂O₂, is a highly aggressive oxidizing agent widely used to clean organic residues from surfaces, especially in surface preparation for coatings, adhesives, microelectronics, and thin film applications. Composition of Piranha Solution. Typical ratio, 3:1 VV, concentrated sulfuric acid to 30% hydrogen peroxide. Preparation of Piranha Solution. Warning: the solution is extremely exothermic on mixing. Peroxide should always be added slowly to acid, never the reverse. Place a clean glass or Teflon beaker inside a fume hood. Slowly pour 3 parts concentrated sulfuric acid into the beaker. Slowly add 1 part 30% hydrogen peroxide dropwise to the acid while stirring gently with a glass rod. Example: 75 milliliters sulfuric acid plus 25 milliliters hydrogen peroxide. Allow the solution to stabilize for 5 to 10 minutes before use. Use immediately. Do not store. How it works: oxidizes and removes organic contaminants, for example oils, greases, and residual polymers. Produces reactive oxygen species like nascent oxygen and radicals. Leaves the surface hydrophilic and highly reactive. Use in surface preparation. 1. Glass and silicon substrates. Removes residual organic films. Prepares surface for uniform coatings or chemical bonding in adhesives. Increases surface energy. Better adhesion of coatings. Second, metal oxide surfaces, for example, titanium dioxide, aluminum oxide. Removes hydrocarbon contamination. Enhances wettability and functionalization potential. Third, polymers, limited use. Rarely used directly on polymers due to aggressive nature. Sometimes used with caution on stable fluoropolymers, or peak after proper testing. Precautions and safety. Extremely corrosive and reactive. PPE required. Face shield, acid-resistant gloves, lab coat, fume hood. Never store in sealed containers, can build pressure and explode. Dispose of safely via neutralization and dilution, following local hazardous waste protocols. Only prepare small amounts fresh. Loses effectiveness over time. Benefits in coating and adhesive applications. Ensures ultra-clean surface free from organic contaminants. Improves adhesion strength by enhancing interfacial bonding. Helps achieve uniform coating morphology and film integrity. Alternatives: for less aggressive or safer cleaning, plasma cleaning. UV ozone treatment. Solvent washes. Acetone, isopropanol. Base Piranha for some sensitive surfaces.